so another jam session in the music room, as you can see, music room. I feel like drop a poem, you know. A poem named. Sometimes we have to go through some multiple stress in our life. I have to remind myself, say, we're highly blessed.
Problem or something we can't get rid of. We born in iniquity and we shape as a sinner, but the pride of Christ died, live a life as a winner.
Yeah, sometimes we have to stress up ourselves, you know. And as my brethren Cavano that said, we need to bless up ourselves and stop stress up ourselves. So we're going to remind ourselves that we're highly blessed. This poem is called Highly Blessed. Here we have John on the drums. And we have Anonymous on the beats. Yeah.
Problem or something we can't get rid of. We born in iniquity and we shape as a sinner, but the Friday Christ died, we live with life as a winner. Climb to the heights and the sky to the pinnacle. Small up myself, something me will not do. The devil test you, true God I bless up, but me smile and the storm from Christ in the days. So no, no, I can't bar me, highly blessed. No, no devil can't harm me, highly blessed. Every day time a man show me highly blessed. Chant it like a psalm. Save me, you're highly blessed. No stress can't slave me, you're highly blessed. From a see you behave, me know you're highly blessed. Well, turn around and tell your neighbor you're highly blessed. Yes, highly blessed. Highly blessed. Highly blessed. One more time. Let me tell you something about this life over here. Problem or something you can't get rid of. Born in iniquity and we shape as a sinner, but the Friday Christ died, we live life as a winner. Climb to the heights, to the sky, to the pinnacle. Smile up myself, something me will not do. The devil test you, true God I bless you, but me smile at the storm from Christ in the days. And no, I can't bar me, highly blessed. No, the devil can't harm me, highly blessed. Every day time a man show me highly blessed. Chant it like a psalm, so me highly blessed. From me no one save me, you're highly blessed. And the stress can't slave me, you're highly blessed. See you behave, me know you're highly blessed. Turn around, tell your neighbor you're highly blessed. Hey! Bonus! Positive vibes, you know what me say that. Negative, you are pray, you better lock it back. It's sad, all the little girl that gets so slack, and all the youth them that gets so hot. It need to stop. And if you agree with that, put two fingers in the air like you a squeeze a shot. Leave that. Not the place for shot. We put your two hands together, then I need the clap. Can I freely chat? We need in fact. As a young youth, we feel me need to speak on that. We could have never make you walk out feeling that. Like surplus, could have ever lead with that. We see the need for chat, so we be the catalyst. We change and see me can increase the stats. Everybody feels that somebody else and deal with that. And that's one way the system is leading mass, but still, on a class warrior, not a physical war, miss war, mental warrior. For all the youths, them sorry for. But they want to pass the class, not keep on corridor still. On a class warrior, time for see the girl, future in a story. But for the youth, they war for. But my sword and my shield is a board and my marker. speaking, I speak in a manner. You find the money you're seeking. Guess what? It really hurt my heart when me listening the news. Another mother bad with the killing in the schools. Kinda make me wonder, so you listening the rules. Teachers bad one, you stop discipline the youths. Moment send you to a school, for you will be a best. For you get an education and progress to success. But you feel the man's man and pass pregnancy test. Tell the youth we are stressed, you don't really feel yourself. Tell him no, when you want to feature your heads. Tell him no, then you want to sleep with your friends. Tell him no, I try for the eye with the best. Tell him no, what's the trend? No, say it again. No, not for Gucci nor Prada. No, tell him no, I wanna be my father. No, tell him no, can even tell him hard. And tell him about him mad. Surplus with her, lead us not into temptation. That's what everybody says. But what kind of situation that you gonna do yourself? You don't even know the youth and yet they're touching on the steps. You said no and I giggle like that's when they did say yes. The next verse for the youth, no one listen that part. I look for one dash on the life like dirty water. Gaza, foolishness about Gully and Gaza. Feel the real reason to not grow in the father. But master, make me tell you when me would have rather. The youth them work harder, real father. Be smarter, realize the power of your mind and the bother. No disappoint and the struggling mother. No, to fear friends them that with you. No, friend that send one to kill you. No, no waste the talent when Jaja give you. No, what's the issue? Tell them this too. Not to touch in our Gabbana. No, don't touch the shot nor Privana. No, better work for where you wanna. Don't play like Osama, be a change like Obama. No. So bro, you know, put jump on it. Eh? So jump on this one later. I like the vibe, I love it. Run it up, let's have a vibe now, let me vibe now. Greetings, that's normally my way of greeting. Whenever like this, we have a meeting. I just have a meeting, you're seeking. When I'm speaking, a money, you can find the money you're seeking. Cause it's apparent, the system. Well, no, sir, why am I misspelling, sir? Greetings, that's not my limit. Our way of greeting. Whenever like this, we have a meeting. I just a meeting, you're seeking. When I'm speaking a manner, you can find the money you're seeking. Cause it's apparent, it takes much more than your parents before you can call yourself a parent. Not because you have a baby mother, you live with a baby father in a house, and the two of them are parent. It's set a waking. The youths need a waking and recognize the goal they want to take it. If they are not plating, so when you're dating, you have to recognize the real from the gold plating. Yeah. Guess what? Come on a class warrior, not a physical war, miss or mental warrior. For all the youth them we serve for, cause them want to pass the class, not keep up with us still. Man a class warrior, like to see the girl them future in a square. So for the youth them we war for, but me score them me shape is a code and me marker. Really hurt my heart to be listening the news. And if that mother bad, they killing in the schools. Kinda make me wonder, so they missing in the rules. Teachers bad one, you start discipline the youth. Mommy send you go to school, and you for be your best, be your get an education, progress to success. But you feel the maths one and pass pregnancy test. Tell the youth that's just a youth really feel as if. Tell him no. Tell him no. So no, I can't buy me highly blessed. No one ever can harm me highly blessed. Every day time my man show me highly blessed. Chanting like a psalm say me highly blessed. From you know who I save me you're highly blessed. No the stress can't slave me you're highly blessed. From the see how you behave me know you're highly blessed. Turn round tell your neighbor you're highly blessed. When me tell you something about this life when you not properly man sitting on you can't get rid of. Born in iniquity and the shape was a sinner, but the pride and Christ that will live with life as a winner. Climb to the height, to the sky, and the pinnacle. Small myself something I will not do. Devil bless you, true God I bless you, but me smile at the star from Christ in the universe in love. Highly blessed. Highly blessed.
Surplus. Don't know. Music room. Jam session. Janai. Bad drummer. In the djembe. Anonymous. On the guitars.